STEM stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. STEM Incorporated is down 10%, which is rough. It's definitely a rough one. All I want to say is that I've done 39,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I have all that documented on my YouTube channel. Specifically looking at STEM, man, this is just, it's bad. It is really bad. I'm not saying it's going to be like this forever, but for right now, sure thing is not something that I'm looking to buy. I mean, maybe might look for longs if there is some shift above 48 cents. But as of right now, nah, not big of a fan of whatsoever. So I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's that free sauce. I'm really curious if I have anything related here. Yeah, I do have some previous receipts. So this is about to be cooked. In other words, see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.